So tell me one thing, that since when have you been coming here in this institute?
I have been coming since January 2000.
January. Okay.
Yes.
So I think that you have completed approximately 1 month. Fine.
Yes.
So let's see that within 1 month what did you learn. So I'll try to make you practice, and I'll check that also. I'll check that how much you have learned with the help of us. Fine. Okay. So I'll ask so many sentences, a lot of sentences that I taught you, each and every structure that I taught you, and the sentences will be related from that. Okay. So let's suppose if I tell you that मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहूंगा, क्या बोलेंगे?
I want to learn English.
चाहूंगा,
चाहूंगा.
I would like to learn.
I would like to learn English.
और मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to learn English.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता था.
I wanted to learn English.
क्या तुम इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो?
Do you want to learn English?
इंग्लिश क्यों सीखना चाहते हो?
Why do you want to learn English?
इंग्लिश कहाँ से सीखना चाहते हो?
From where you want to learn English?
मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
ओके, उसे बोलने दो.
Let her speak.
कोई लड़का है तो
Let his speak.
let him speak. Let him speak. अच्छा, अगर मैंने ऐसा बोल दिया कि पास्ट में हम used to का यूज कैसे करते हैं?
Yes, sir.
You have to make some sentences. You have to use used to. Come on.
I used to do study.
Okay.
When I was in my school.
Okay.
And, I used to do study. I used to play toys when I was child.
I used to play with toys when I was child. Okay, let's suppose that if I tell you that कि मैं वहाँ जा सकता हूँ, तो कैसे इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे?
मैं वहाँ जा सकता हूँ.
हाँ.
I can go there.
और मैं जा सकता था?
जा सकता था.
कैन का पास्ट?
Could. I could go there.
मैं वहाँ जाने का योग्य हूँ.
I am able to go there.
और योग्य था तो?
I was able to go.
मुझे वहाँ जाना पड़ रहा है.
I am having to go there.
तुम्हारी वजह से मुझे प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ रहा है.
Because of you, I am having to face problem.
तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम क्यों फेस करना पड़ रहा है? Why are you having to?
Why are you having to face problem?
Why are you having to face problem? तुम्हें इंग्लिश क्यों सीखना पड़ रहा है?
Why are you having to learn English?
कल मेरा इंटरव्यू है.
Tomorrow is my interview.
इसीलिए
That's why
मुझे प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ रहा है.
I am having to do practice.
मुझे वहां जाना पड़ सकता है.
Maybe
I may have to.
I may have to go there.
मुझे वहां जाना पड़ेगा.
पड़ेगा.
Yes.
I may जाना पड़ेगा.
फ्यूचर के कंपल्सन की बात हो रही है. मुझे वहां जाना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे हम लगाते हैं will have to. क्या लगाते हैं? Will have to.
go there.
मुझे तुम्हारी हेल्प करनी पड़ेगी.
I will have to help you.
मुझे लगता है,
I think,
मेरे हिसाब से,
according to me,
तुमको इंग्लिश सीखना पड़ सकता है.
you will have to learn English.
कहाँ से इंग्लिश सीखते हो तुम?
कहाँ से इंग्लिश सीखते हो? From where do you learn English?
Do you learn English? क्या तुम भोपाल में रहते हो?
Do you live in Bhopal?
भोपाल में क्यों रहते हो?
Why do you live in Bhopal?
भोपाल में कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live in Bhopal?
Now let me speak in English and now you have to translate in Hindi. Okay, what's your name?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
What do you do?
तुम क्या करते हो?
Where do you live?
तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
Okay, what does your friend do?
तुम्हारा फ्रेंड क्या करता है?
Does your friend study?
क्या तुम्हारा फ्रेंड स्टडी करता है?
What does your friend study?
तुम्हारा फ्रेंड क्या स्टडी कर रहा है?
Do you speak English?
क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोलते हो?
From where do you learn English?
तुम कहाँ से इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो?
Have you learned English?
Have you learned? तुमने इंग्लिश सीखी?
क्या आपने इंग्लिश सीख ली है?
सीख
Okay,
ली है।
since when have you been learning English?
तुम इंग्लिश कब से सीख रहे हो?
I have been learning English for 2 months.
मैं 2 महीने से इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ.
I have been learning English for 1 month.
मैं 1 महीने से इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ.
I will go there.
मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा.
Will you go there?
तुम यहाँ आओगे?
Why will you go there?
तुम वहाँ क्यों जाओगे?
Will you help me?
तुम मेरी हेल्प करोगे?
Will he come at my home?
क्या वो मेरे घर आएगा?
Why will he come?
वो मेरे घर क्यों आएगा?
When will he come?
वो मेरे घर कब आएगा?
Are you thinking something?
क्या तुम कुछ सोच रहे हो?
What are you thinking?
तुम क्या सोच रहे हो?
When are you thinking?
तुम कब सोच रहे हो?
Are you planning something?
तुम कुछ प्लानिंग कर रहे हो?
What are you planning?
तुम क्या प्लानिंग कर रहे हो?
Are you planning for visiting Bhopal
तुम भोपाल आने की प्लानिंग कर रहे हो?
while going?
जाते समय?
जाते जाते.
जाते जाते.
While coming?
आते आते.
While talking to you?
बात करते करते.
While practicing English?
प्रैक्टिस करते करते.
I don't feel hesitation
मैं हेजिटेशन फील नहीं करता.
because
क्योंकि
I go to Speakify class.
मैं स्पीकीफाई जाता हूँ.
After going there,
वहाँ जाने के बाद
I learn English.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखता हूँ.
Do you know
तुम्हें पता है
why I am learning English?
मैं इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रहा हूँ?
Because
क्योंकि
I want to learn English
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता
and
हूँ.
I would like to perform well
और मैं अच्छा परफॉर्म करना चाहूंगा.
because
क्योंकि
I want to become public speaker.
मैं पब्लिक स्पीकर बनना चाहता हूँ.
That's nice. Okay, let's suppose now I'm going to translate upon a story. Okay, and now you have to convert that things in Hindi only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So once upon a time,
एक समय की बात
this is
है.
only fiction story. Fine. मनगढ़ंत story है. ठीक है. The purpose of this to make the practice. Okay. So once upon a time,
एक समय की बात.
when I used to live in Bhopal,
जब मैं भोपाल में रहा करता था.
इसमें वही सारे स्ट्रक्चर होंगे जो मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको पढ़ाए हुए हैं विद इन द 1 and 1.5 months. Okay. So once upon a time,
एक समय की बात.
when I used to live in Bhopal,
जब मैं भोपाल में रहा करता
at that time,
उस समय
Vikas sir used to teach me
विकास सर मुझे पढ़ाया करते
and I
थे.
used to go to English class.
और मैं इंग्लिश क्लास जाया करती
Do you
थी.
know?
तुम्हें पता है.
I used to enjoy the every session
मैं हर सेशन बहुत एंजॉय किया
because
करती थी क्योंकि
I used to be regular student.
मैं रेगुलर स्टूडेंट हुआ करती थी.
That's why
इसलिए
now a time
अब
I'm speaking English
मैं इंग्लिश बोल पा रही हूँ.
because
क्योंकि
when I was in class,
जब मैं क्लास में थी
I used to do practice.
मैं प्रैक्टिस किया करती
Because
थी.
of that hard work,
उस हार्डवर्क की वजह
I am
से
able to speak.
अब मैं इंग्लिश बोल पा
Are
रही
you able to speak?
हूँ. तुम इंग्लिश बोल पा रहे
I
हो.
asked to my friend
मैंने मेरी फ्रेंड से
and he
पूछा
replied to me,
और उसने मुझसे बोला
I am not able to speak.
मैं नहीं बोल पा
But
रही.
at that time,
उस समय
I was being able to speak
मैं बोल पा रही थी.
because of Speakify.
स्पीकिफाई की वजह से
I was being able to speak
मैं इंग्लिश बोल पा रही हूँ.
and I was thinking
और मैं सोच रही थी
it was such a good time
वो बहुत अच्छा समय
when I
था.
was trying to speak English,
जब मैं इंग्लिश सीख रही थी
when I was trying to do practice a lot.
और जब मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी.
But do you know,
तुम्हें पता है
I have seen
मैंने देखा
there are so many people.
वहाँ पे बहुत लोग थे.
There are so many people. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं.
बहुत सारे.
Those who always keep on blaming.
जो ब्लेम करते रहते हैं
They don't have such an environment
कि उनके पास environment
where
नहीं
people
है,
speak English.
जहाँ पे people इंग्लिश बोलते
But do
हैं.
you know,
लेकिन तुम्हें पता है
I learned English by myself.
मैंने अपने खुद से इंग्लिश सीखा
I
है.
practice English with myself.
और मैंने खुद से प्रैक्टिस की है.
I never get any speaking partner.
आई नेवर गेट
मुझे कभी स्पीकिंग पार्टनर नहीं मिला. I practiced alone
मैंने अकेले प्रैक्टिस
and now you can see
और अब तुम देख सकते
I am
हो
speaking English.
मैं इंग्लिश बोल पा रही हूँ.
Okay, all right. So within 1 month and 1.5 months, as you told that you have joined our class at in January.
Yes.
Fine. So within within 1 month and some days, you have improved yourself a lot. So let's suppose that I want to ask you that how did you learn English or how much you have done the practice? As I asked to you that before some time ago, there are so many people, those who always keep on blaming, sir, I don't have such a type of environment where I can speak English and I don't have such a partner with whom I can speak. So how did you practice? How did you used to do practice before 1 month and now how do you practice for improving your English? Because now you have improved yourself. Now you have to do practice only. All the things you have to learn, all the structure that I taught you, all the things you have learned. So what did you give? Would you like to give some suggestion to them or to your friends, those who want to learn English, that how can they be perfect at English?
Okay, sir. So I tell you that I do practice a lot.
Okay.
Whenever I get a free time,
Okay.
I watch videos like English debate or English speaking videos,
Okay.
and I make sentence. I also learn so many structure
Okay.
through which I am able to speak English,
Okay.
and I learn many vocabulary, and I also make videos while speaking English,
Okay.
and I do many practice.
So how was your experience about our module, about our classes, about our the teaching method that we use for teaching? Because our method is totally different for teaching the spoken English. So how's your experience about this?
Yes, sir. The teaching method is very enjoyable. Like I can't bored when I learn English, and you teach in a very good manner. Like students are able to understand each and every sentence very easily.
Okay. So it's my pleasure. Thank you so much. But now you need to improve yourself a lot.